In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and backup all Gmail emails. By the end, you'll have a complete copy of your messages saved safely to your computer, perfect for peace of mind, cleanup, or moving to a new account. Start by opening Gmail and signing in. In the top right corner, click your profile picture and choose Manage Your Google account. This takes you to your account dashboard, where all privacy and data tools live. On the left, select Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you see Download Your Data, then click it. This opens Google Takeout, Google's official tool for exporting a copy of your information. In Takeout, you'll see a long list of Google services. To make this easy, uncheck everything first so you don't export data you don't need. Then scroll down and check Mail. If you want everything, leave the default Include All Mail. If you're backing up only certain labels, you can choose those here, but most people will keep it simple and grab the full mailbox. Click Next Step to continue. Now choose your export settings. For export frequency, select Export Once so Google creates a single snapshot. For file type, pick .zip, which works on virtually any computer. For file size, you can keep the default or pick a smaller size if you prefer the backup split into multiple downloads, which can be handy on slower connections. When you're ready, click Create Export. Google will begin building your backup. This part happens in the background and can take hours or even a couple of days, depending on how many emails and attachments you have. You can close the tab. Google will email you when it's done. If you change your mind, you can cancel the export at any time from the same page. When the email arrives with the subject letting you know your data is ready, open it and click Download Your Files. For security, you may be asked to re-enter your Google password or complete verification. Then click Download and the files will begin saving to your computer. Note the file size so you have enough storage space. Once the zip file finishes downloading, locate it on your computer and open or extract it. Inside, you'll find your mail folder containing your Gmail data, typically in Mbox format. You can store this safely on an external drive or a secure cloud location. To review the contents, you can open the Mbox file with compatible email tools or import it into an email client that supports Mbox. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and backed up all your Gmail emails. Keep your backup somewhere safe and repeat this process whenever you want a fresh copy.